Yo.
$100.
Huh?
100.
How the fuck you lost?
Where did you go? No, where did you? No, that's what you get.
Is that
I won.
Now. Now. Are y'all brothers?
No.
Nah.
We cousins.
Ooh.
You seen that from Sinners?
Hell yeah.
Spin it.
That's yours.
Shout out to all my boys out there with the waves.
Y'all trying to play spin the wheel?
Oh, I want to spin wheel.
She don't call me baby boo.
E-day.
Oh. Why? It's a smash or pass.
Smash or pass?
Get in line, get in line.
Are y'all twins?
Nah.
Get a love. I'm smashing both.
Both?
For real?
Yeah. Cause y'all both look alike.
That's my man. Flip my wrist with all type of bands. I'm a like a free throw.
Yeah! Wait, keep going, what the hell? Yo, hello.
I can't. What happened?
Oh, you mean Instagram? No, I don't have it. Email? Oh. Okay. Okay, guys.
I had to change my approach a little bit on how I approach the game. I wasn't that good in the first 2 games here in this building. I watched a lot of film, detailed it out, changed my blueprint.
You know, you kind of look like Ice Spice.
Sexy red.
Like Ice Spice.
No.
Yeah, you actually look
No,
like
not
sexy
neither
red.
one.
No, you actually
Y'all
look
probably
like
hair
sexy
color?
red.
Yeah,
Spin the wheel, sexy red.
See?
Yeah, spin it. Dang, come on. What it say? 360?
Yes, Stella. Oh, you can give
360 of
us
me?
IG.
They empty.
Mass or guys?
Smash or
Come back
pass?
here. Yes, you got
Both at the same time.
Damn.
Yo, hello? Yo, how is you, bro? What's going on? You in like hospital bed? Don't take it. You kill Hey.
Oh, they're so fun. Everybody chat, look, they're so fun.
Think I'm cute. She wanna have sex.
Spin the wheel! Oh, that is.
This is my.
The next day.
keep spinning.
E-Day.
Okay, let's do it.
E-Day. But what's an E-Day? It's where brave contestants battle it out on a quest for love. Problem is though, they only have a minute to do so.
Basically,
Why'd you whip me? What did I do?
Because you're a bad boy.
you got a favorite color?
What's that?
I'm trying to be a good or bad. I'm neutral.
Neutral?
Yeah.
No thing.
Like a favorite color, like pink, blue.
Oh, purple.
What's your name?
Miss Evil as fuck.
Damn, you kind of evil now.
Let me just get straight to the point.
Why you so evil though? Like, why?
Do you know how to swat?
What? I'm scared. I'm scared. No.
I'm gonna get you. Stop running from this dick boo. Fucking on a shih tzu. Bitch, you gon' hit who?
Why would you skip?
What the?
Darius! Oh my God, Darius! You gonna glow
Who
up?
the fuck is Darius?
Hey, are you trying to play spin the wheel? You trying to play spin the wheel?
No, I saw it land on follow IG.
Oh, so we can follow your IGs? Okay. Okay. Wait, how old are you?
25. I'm 22. Wait, how old are y'all?
I'm 20.
19.
Oh, tight.
Yo,
You trying to play spin the wheel?
Sure.
flip the wheel, Bird.
What?
Can I just say, like, out of everyone I've seen on here, like, you're the most beautiful girl I've ever seen. I mean that from the bottom of my heart. How old are you?
14.
Yeah, it's rewind time.
No, please. Say the real age. Say the real age. Say the real age.
Ladies, I'm trying to do my work today. Leave me alone type shit.
Why you guys running? Hey, Jerome.
Come on, dust the ass out of here.
Dude, crazy as a bitch.
Outfit? What's that? Alright, we'll see.
That booty look good tonight. I'm running with that seed tonight.
Do you want to see my bra or is that just weird? Is that actually weird or do you want to see it? I'm actually going to show you my bra.
Not around here, partner. Not around here.
Yeah.
K or M?
K or M? But what is K or M? It's where bodacious females pick between the contestants they want to kiss, marry, or kill.
Wait, I can't see his face really.
Which one would you kill? Which one would you marry? Oh, I said kill.
Yeah, you guys have to pick. Kiss or marry.
He looked tall though, so I'll marry and I'll kill you.
I would kill the one on the right and marry him.
Yeah. Choose marry the one with the hat or the thing on his head, and then kiss the one with the cat.
Okay. What about your friend?
I was thinking the same shit. Are y'all streaming?
No.
And that's when it hit me. The best idea I ever had in my entire life.
Wait, you said what?
Are y'all on the stream?
Yeah.
See, why he fucking lying? Why he trying to lie?
He sold the bag. Little nigga over there sold the bag. Nigga with the hat sold the bag.
It don't even matter, bro. They know, bro, that they called us. They're red-handed. Hold on. You guys trying to sell yourself out?
For what?
Just so people follow you. So sell yourself out. You just go like say your Instagram or anything so they follow you.
On everything, you know? Yeah.
Okay, everybody make sure you follow her, bro.
This is my perfect victory! That's right! I win!